Hi there, I'm Subash Paid Uni Student ID 303613660. I'm here to present the functionality of maze game that we developed for the assignment 2 of Itech 7201 Software Engineering Analysis and Design. This is the general overview of the assignment. For this assignment, we were uh, assigned to logically extend the functionality of the maze game that was introduced during the lectures through the modification of code base as well as the documentation and implementation of various user stories. This is a paired assignment. I have my partner Prajwal Batazu, student ID 303554440 as a partner. Me and my friend Prajwal uh, worked together to develop the maze game from the code base that was provided to us. Here are the various assignment requirements. In pairs, we are assigned to design and implement a custom environment for our maze game, and we did so. This required producing our own unique hand-drawn map of the maze game, and we draw the maze game map as this. Considering that the startup is the first position, from here, if we go to east, we can go to reception. If we go to west, we can go to help desk. Similarly, from the reception, if we go to northeast, we reach boardroom, and if you go to east, it will reach us. It will get us to lecture 101. Similarly, from lecture 101, if we go to north, we reach to lab 201, and from lab 201, if we go to north, we go library, and if we go to east, we will reach lab 203. In this way, there are various locations that we can go from one place to another using the move commands. We will be able to find various items in some locations, and by using the buy, sell, and attack command, we can interact with them. Now we are going to show how it will run. Here are the various commands that are going to be used. They are go, quit, move, look, list, get, pick, drop, equip, unequip, purchase, buy, sell, status, help, fight, stat, and so on. Let's run the program. Here. The welcome screen says, welcome to the IIPIT Game Arena. What name do you choose to be known by? And I'm going to choose my name, Subash. It shows, welcome Subash. You see empty hall with some couch and some people. Exit from this location is only one, that is east. And there are no NPC characters present here, and similarly no items here. If I use the look command, then we can see that we can go to entrance lobby, and exit from this location is east, so go east. Now we reach to reception desk, and exit from this location are east, north, and west. If you go to west, then it shows you successfully move west and find yourself at the entrance lobby. This is the same place from where we started, so let's go to the east again. Now from this position we reach to receptionist, and there are three positions exit location from here. They are east, north, and west. If we go to east, north again, go north, we can see that we reach to boardroom, and the three exit location are south, north, and southeast, and there are again no NPC characters present here, so no items in this location too. Now if we use look command, then we can see that there are south, north, and southeast. So let's go to the north. Oh, we reached to the place where blacksmith was there. Here we reach to staff office, and there is one blacksmith in this room, and you can buy and sell items from here. So I'm gonna buy the item pen. Initially my weight is 5.0. Now if I buy pen, then my weight is 403, and it says you have successfully purchased the pen. Now if we need any other command, then we can simply type help. From here we can see that there are various commands that we can use, and if we use start command, then it shows the current status of the player. Now the other command is quit command, and from this we can quit the game. But before this, I'm gonna show the fight command. Fight Prozol. There is no hostile character to fight with. Since Prozol is not a hostile character to fight with, he cannot fight. So let's quit the game. Thanks for playing. Goodbye. Generally I showed all the characters, all the commands that we can use to run this game. This is a console game, and we interact with the system through the commands, and we have command handler here. These are the command handlers, and these are the command response for the various commands. We can use the drop items, equip items, fight commands. All of these are explained in the report that I have attached with the submission file. And that's all for this video. Thank you.